Check out the 2026 Yamaha V Star 250. This deep metallic red finish is absolutely flawless.
The 2026 Yamaha V Star 250 continues to prove that classic cruiser style and beginner-friendly performance can come together beautifully. It's designed for riders who appreciate timeless looks, manageable power, and everyday practicality. Because of that balance, this lightweight cruiser remains a strong and appealing choice in the entry-level segment. Design and styling. The Yamaha V Star 250 features a traditional cruiser silhouette, defined by its teardrop-shaped fuel tank, low-slung seat, and swept-back handlebars. Chrome accents on the exhaust, engine covers, and mirrors add a premium touch, while the compact proportions keep the bike approachable and easy to handle. For 2026, Yamaha maintains the bike's retro charm while improving paint quality and detailing, giving it a more polished and modern finish without losing its classic character. Engine and performance. Powering the V Star 250 is a 249cc, air-cooled V-twin engine paired with a smooth 5-speed transmission. This engine delivers predictable, easy-to-control power, along with a satisfying exhaust note that feels true to the cruiser experience. Acceleration is gentle yet responsive, making the bike well-suited for city commuting and relaxed highway riding. The V-twin layout also helps reduce vibration, which adds to overall riding comfort, ride, and handling. Thanks to its lightweight frame and low center of gravity, the V Star 250 feels stable and easy to control, even for new riders. The suspension setup includes a telescopic front fork and dual rear shocks, tuned to absorb bumps and handle everyday road conditions comfortably. Its low seat height allows most riders to place both feet flat on the ground, boosting confidence during stops and slow-speed riding. Braking and safety. The 2026 Yamaha V Star 250 comes equipped with a front disc brake and a rear drum brake, providing dependable stopping power for its class. Braking performance is smooth and predictable, matching the bike's relaxed riding nature. While the setup remains simple, it is well suited for urban environments and casual cruising. Comfort and ergonomics. Comfort is one of the V Star 250's strongest points. The upright riding position, forward-mounted foot pegs, and well-cushioned seat help reduce fatigue on longer rides. Wide handlebars offer relaxed control and good leverage, making the bike comfortable for daily commuting as well as longer weekend rides. The 2026 new Yamaha V Star 250 stays true to its roots, delivering classic cruiser design, smooth V-twin performance, and user-friendly handling. It may not be the most powerful motorcycle in its class, but its real strength lies in its simplicity, comfort, and timeless appeal. For riders searching for an affordable and approachable cruiser, the V Star 250 continues to be a dependable and satisfying choice.